Find each indicated measure. Part A. Area of a circle with a radius of 8 5/10 inches. Recall the equation for the area of a circle is A equals pi times r squared. Substituting in the given information gives A equals pi times 8 5/10 squared. Simplifying gives that A equals 72 25/100 times pi. Using a calculator to solve gives A is about 226 98/100. Thus, the area of the circle is about 226 98/100 square inches. Part B. Diameter of a circle with an area of 153 94/100 square feet. Recall that the equation for the area of a circle is A equals pi times r squared. Substituting in the given information gives 153 94/100 equals pi times r squared. Then divide each side by pi and take the square root of each side, which gives the square root of 153 94/100 divided by pi equals r. Then using a calculator to solve gives that r is about 7. Because the radius is about 7 feet, the diameter is about 14 feet. Part A. About 124,000 people live in a 2-mile radius of a city's post office. Find the population density in people per square mile. Begin by finding the area of the region. So A equals pi times r squared. Substituting in the given information and simplifying gives that A equals 4 pi. And then the equation for population density is population density equals people divided by area. Substituting in 124,000 for people and 4 pi for the area gives 124,000 divided by 4 pi, which is about 9,868. So the population density is about 9,868 people per square mile. Part B. A region with a 10-mile radius has a population density of about 869 people per square mile. Find the number of people who live in the region. Begin by finding the area of the region. So A equals pi times r squared. Substituting in the given information and simplifying gives that A equals 100 pi. Then the equation for population density is population density equals people divided by area. Substituting 869 for population density and 100 pi for area gives 869 equals people divided by 100 pi. Simplifying and solving for the number of people equals 273,004. So about 273,004 people live in the region. Find the areas of the sectors formed by angle PSQ. Begin by finding the area of the small sector. So the area of the small sector equals the measure of arc PQ divided by 360 degrees times pi r squared. Looking at the diagram, you are given that the measure of arc PQ equals 135 degrees and that the radius is 15 centimeters. So substituting in the given information gives 135 degrees divided by 360 degrees times pi times 15 squared. Simplifying gives about 265 7/100. So the area of the small sector is about 265 7/100 square centimeters. Next, find the area of the larger sector. So the area of the large sector equals the measure of arc PRQ divided by 360 degrees times pi r squared. Again, you were given that the radius is 15 centimeters and the measure of arc PRQ equals 360 degrees minus the measure of arc PQ. So substituting in the given information gives 225 degrees divided by 360 degrees times pi times 15 squared. Using a calculator to solve gives about 441 79/100. So the area of the large sector is about 441 79/100 square centimeters. Find the area of circle S. Use the equation for the area of the sector to find the area of the circle. The area of sector PSQ equals the measure of arc PQ divided by 360 degrees times the area of circle S. Substituting in the given information from the diagram gives 48 equals 135 degrees divided by 360 degrees times the area of circle S. Solving for the area of circle S gives 128 equals the area of circle S. Thus, the area of circle S is 128 square feet. A farmer has a field with the shape shown. Find the area of the shaded region to the nearest square meter. Looking at the field, notice that it is made up of a square and two semicircles. So the area of the field is equal to 2 times the area of the semicircle plus the area of the square. Notice that the semicircles will have radius 4 because the diameters are 8. So area equals 2 times the quantity 1/2 pi times 4 squared plus 8 times 8, which gives area is approximately 114. So the area of the field is about 114 square meters.